Do you want to customize your chats on WhatsApp with a unique background? In this video, I will show you how to add a chat wallpaper on WhatsApp step by step, whether for all chats or for a specific conversation. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to your WhatsApp account. Then here in this first page, you will find here on above a 3 dots, so you will tap on 3 dots. Then here in this list, you will find settings, so you will tap on settings. After that, on settings, you will find this page of chats, so you will click on chats. After that, here in this page, you will find default chat theme, so you will click here, and then as you see, you will find this window if you want to change the theme first here of your WhatsApp. For example, this one here, you can choose any color, not necessary to choose the previous color that they gave to you, so you can choose any color you want here for theme. And then when you choose your theme, you will go to wallpaper, and here you can choose the wallpaper from WhatsApp itself, or you can go to create with AI, or you can click on set a color instead of wallpaper, and you can also choose from your gallery. So for example, let's choose this one here in our gallery, and you will find it in that way here. Then you click on this sign to choose your wallpaper. When you go to the shot, you will find it in that way here. As you see, your wallpaper and messages or theme are like this. But if you want to change it for a specific theme, or for a specific shot, you will choose the shot that you want. You will go here to these 3 dots, you will click on shot theme, as you see, and then here you can choose from wallpaper for this specific shot also. For example, let's try to choose this one from WhatsApp, and you can edit in that way here, and then you click on done. Then you can click on set wallpaper. So to know how it works, this is a wallpaper for a specific shot, and when I will go to the another shots, I will find the previous or the first wallpaper that I added before here for all shots. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.